track or?
Let's see what. Oh, he stalled it. What is up with this quad, man? She just died. She doesn't even want to start. Man. What's up with that shit? Just dies.
Keys on. Check your oil this morning?
No.
Alright, let's get off the track. We ain't got far to go.
You better get out of the way. So end of the video explanation here. So the Yamaha dies at the very end of the video, and when we were out there we couldn't figure out what was wrong with it. I thought something was off in the motor. I mean, we literally built this motor by hand ourselves, and we never done that before. But turns out it's actually an electrical problem. It was all on the switch, and we actually took some aluminum foil and stuffed it in there, and we were able to fix it temporarily, a little bush fix. We ended up coming back to the house, and we just put the quad up and had it running, And what we did is we started tapping around everywhere on the machine. And when we got to here, when we went like that, the quad shut off. So we knew that the switch, something was off in here. So we took this apart, and actually the contacts were just gone. I mean, they're just so worn out inside the switch. So I don't even touch this anymore until the new one comes in. But yeah, we took a bunch of aluminum foil and stuffed it in there to hold the contacts together. And the lights will work and everything on it. And you know, you just turn the key and hit the button. That was kind of our fix to keep riding. It is kind of annoying. It was annoying, and you know, wasted half a day trying to figure out what was wrong with it. But if you guys ever have that problem, that's one way to fix it. I thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.